Welcome to another session of Let Review, General Education. Read each question carefully and select the best answer. Global environmental changes affect people worldwide, not just physical but also social and economic, which demonstrates interconnectedness between social and environmental injustice. A. Pollution and climate change. B. Biodiversity loss and species extinction. C. Rich countries' toxic wastes disposed to poorer countries. D. Widespread practice of graft and corruption in the society. The answer is C. Rich countries' toxic wastes disposed to poorer countries. Which layer of the atmosphere contains the ozone layer? A. Troposphere. B. Stratosphere. C. Mesosphere. D. Ionosphere. The answer is B. Stratosphere. Mary Shelley wrote her first novel, Frankenstein, in the form of letters. What do you call this work of fiction that is written in the form of letters? A. Epistolary. B. Elegy. C. Scripture. D. Sonnet. The answer is A. Epistolary. The Filipino educated class during the Spanish colonial period who provided intellectual grounding for the Philippine Revolution are called A. Insulares. B. Peninsulares. C. Ilustrados. D. Indios. The correct answer is C. Ilustrados. Macromolecule is a large molecule important to biophysical processes. The following are examples of macromolecule except A. Lipids. B. Nucleic acids. C. Amino acids. D. Carbohydrates. The correct answer is C. Amino acids. What percent of 75 is 15? A. 50%, B. 40%, C. 30%, D. 20%. The answer is D. 20%. The whole numbers that have more than two factors are called A. Prime numbers. B. Composite numbers. C. Real numbers. D. Rational numbers. The correct answer is B. Composite numbers. Why did Dr. Jose Rizal uses the surname Rizal instead of Mercado? A. So he can study at Ateneo Municipal. B. He has to follow what is written on his birth certificate. C. To hide his identity as he was very popular in Calamba. D. To dissociate himself from his brother Paciano, who had been involved with the notorious Father Burgos. The correct answer is D. The teacher managed the unruly behavior of her students with great aplomb. The capitalized word means A. Composure. B. Reluctance. C. Fear. D. Wisdom. The correct answer is A. Composure. A metric carat is a unit of mass for measuring gemstones. It is equivalent to A. 1000 mg, B. 2000 mg, C. 200 mg, D. 100 mg. The correct answer is C. 200 mg.